This little light of mine is an interesting lesson in arranging techniques. Um, I arranged this song changing several aspects of it. The melody is obviously intact, but the harmonies are changed, and the feel and the meter has become this slow 3/4 or 6/8 kind of gospel feel, which is very different from the original that has this happy 4/4 clap along feel. And everybody knows it that way. So what happens when we change it and put it in this slow? It's not the happy song anymore. Now it becomes this contemplative, gospely thing, and people first think, or the first association is, oh, it's Amazing Grace, or one of these 6/8 songs. So, and I like this about this song, getting it into this different flavor and away from the happy, and you get the contemplative side of, let your little light shine. The other thing with the harmonies is, in gospel music, often the piano plays very triadic. So most of the harmonies are just plain triads, but it's over different bass notes. So you go from a plain F chord to an F chord over A, which gives that bass movement without changing the harmony, but giving that drive to it. And then it goes to B flat, B diminished, and to keep the bass line going, the bass line goes to a C, but with an F chord again over it, and then slowly moving to a D. So my bass line became very smooth. And then some of the harmonies, I actually branched out a little bit beyond the basic triads and worked my way in terms of chord progressions in 2/5 backwards, meaning if I want to get to a D minor 7, which is in the fourth line, to a D minor 7, G7, I can precede that by the half step above the E flat minor 7, A flat 7, and even though it seems way far out of the harmony in an F major modality to go to E flat minor 7 and A flat 7 and hint to D flat, but it works as being just a half step to resolution. And then, of course, getting the walking bass line again. And then even smoother here, the bass line, I'm going F to E to D to D flat, C, B. So I'm pretty much making a scale out of that bass line. So just enjoy this chart and really lay down in the 6/8 gospel feel and study the harmonies and enjoy the way they move and how the bass lines make those harmonies even more special.